Hey everybody, it's Eric. I'm back again. I'm going to start going ahead and prepping my little garden space here. This is what I'm working with right here. This is where the old chicken, actually this chicken coop was. This was this way. It was right here, but it was the back end against the fence, and it came. So this end of the coop right here was against the fence here, and this coop was inside the run. So I put it over there. I think it was a good idea to give more room like that, but I don't like this idea. So anyways, I moved it over there, and actually hopefully the next following few videos, I'm actually going to start building the new coop and run, hopefully. And anyways, so it's like, no, yeah, so this part of the coop was against the fence here, and it came this way. It came out to like more to the yard this way instead of being against the fence. So the chickens did their job, ate all the grass. I think I went too long, but it wasn't meant to be a chicken tractor, so that's where they're supposed to be. But anyways, you know, live and you learn. So I'm going to try some different things with this thing, but as of right now, I'm going to start getting this all prepped up. Like I said, I don't know a whole lot about this, but I'm going to give it a shot and just show you guys that if I can do it, anybody can do it. And anyway, so give it a shot. I'll show you what I'm working with right here. A spade shovel. Then I have this thing in here I got here. So it's got like, I don't know what you want to call it. It's a mixture of tools. I forget what it was called though when I picked it up. We have a flat shovel, and then we have a axe and like a pickaxe thing, I guess. Sorry about my dog. We have new neighbors that just moved in a couple of days for the birds. Look at that. I threw a big handful in there already, and they're gone. They're hungry. So let's see if I can't get them in there for you. Let them forge through that. Yep, they sure like it. Let them eat that for a little bit. Alright guys, forgive me for my heavy breathing. I'm not in the best shape, and my back is not broken, but it's damaged. I hurt my back, I don't know when, but I had an accident. They did an MRI on my back, and there's some vertebrae that are broken or eaten away, so they said it was caused with the damage. So I'm going to do certain things, whatever I can when I have the energy to. It's not easy, but that's what it's all about, trying to get things done. Just want everybody that you can do things even when you're not in the best conditions, whether it be conditions outside or conditions with your own self. But it says on my main part of my channel on the top up there, it's all about trying to get healthy and in shape and do the best you can do with what you got. So that's what I'm doing. That's my goal. Start slow, and then once I feel better, I can get harder at it. Just gotta be careful so that I don't hurt my back even worse, put myself in a worse place. But just keep on trucking, best I can do. So Let's try to do a little more. Put you back up here. It's not easy for me to use my little axe thing because it's like 4 feet long. I had to bend down, so it's not this my shape, but it is. But I'm also 6'5" too, so it's a lot going against me right now at this moment. So, like I said, do what you can with what you got. We're not gonna spend too much time doing this because when they did our house, they didn't weed the ground at all. So it's probably way down there. So what I'm gonna do, probably start chilling it up right now. You guys have any other tips, tricks, anything you want to try out? I'll see what I can do. I'll talk in the comments. If I respond as fast as I can, then we will try to work together. Dirt's actually not that hard as I thought it was going to be. Still hear the netting, the stuff that laid down when they built our house. Our house is only 5.5 years old, guys. They didn't do a very good job. Very cheaply made. That's it, guys. We're in Oklahoma. So if you give me tips on what to do with my dirt, if you know if I need dirt while we're growing this dirt, let me know. Alright guys, I know I'm coming out a lot, but I gotta head in. I need some stuff in the house done right now. So my family's need some help with some stuff real quick, so I know it's not a whole lot right now. Like I said, I'm just learning all this stuff. Do what I can. Anyways, this is gonna be a start. I don't know how many rows I'm gonna do just yet. I think it's just breaking the dirt up here. When I come back to the next video, it might be a couple days from now, because like I said, we got a bad storm coming tonight. So I don't think I'll be filming tomorrow, but I will send this video out so you guys know what's going on for starting. And then I will get back to you guys and I'll let you know. Hopefully, when the next video come out, will be an extended version, not extended version, but an updated version of hopefully most of this stuff, already set up, ready to go. Anyways, if you guys help me out, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. All this stuff helps me out. Helps me out with the algorithm. Helps things get going bigger and bigger, so I can do more and more stuff for you guys. Alright guys, thanks. See you soon. Bye.